Hello, friends. Welcome back to new video. Look at that, friends. Lot of animal. Wow, just look. Wow, this is dinosaur. Just look, friends. Okay, and then next one is wow, this is cat. Just look. Okay, throughout, and then wow, this is rabbit. Wow. White color rabbit. Okay, and then this one is wow, elephant. Wow. Look at that. And then wow, this is Hulk. Look at the teeth. Okay, let's see. Wow, this is horse. Wow. And then wow, this is cow. Wow, black and white cow. And then wow, friends, this is crocodile.
But each spring, as males compete for the best territory and the best female.
Wow, look at the crocodile. Wow. Throughout, and let's see next one. Wow, this is dog. So full dog. And throughout, and let's see. Next one is this is dragon. And then last one is wow, this is tiger. And all is finished. Look at that here. Thank you friend for watching. Please subscribe.